PBM stock next week in this 1 minute video covering technical analysis, price predictions, and whether PBM stock is the buy or sell next from 11th of March and onward. Psyence Biomedical Ltd stock. I probably butchered the name like crazy, but it's like 90% off for the day, right? I love it because we have actually started seeing increases from 23rd of February when it actually started shifting. So this week we're like 321% off for the whole week. We also don't have that much data neither. So what I'm going to do is just mark out the highs. And now it's getting interesting because the only way that I'm taking advantage of this is if the price gives me the rules. And those rules are what? Like a double shift only, right? So yes, we could take advantage from this whole area right here. I mean, this is the area that I would look for those double breaks, and it first obviously needs to enter it is the gap and overall the demand area, but not like nonetheless, if it starts giving me the rules, then it's the only time where I'm taking advantage of it. So not financial advice. It needs to give me the rules on the lower time frame, like a 5 or a 15 minute. It's the market is fractal, so no need to force anything. Check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.